This video compares the digestive system of the human body to relatable features around the city of DC. It's relating the microscopic process in the digestive system to macroscopic life in the city. First, we start with the mouth, where it all begins. This is the first process of digestion, where food is broken down into manageable pieces, and salivary amylase is secreted to begin the breakdown of carbohydrates. This is why if you leave a piece of bread in your mouth, it will begin to taste sweeter, because the complex sugars are being broken down. You'd be surprised to know that 1.7 liters of saliva are produced every day.
This is the airport. This can be considered the mouth of Washington, D.C. The mouth is the opening to the digestive system that processes food by breaking it down with saliva.
Next, the food moves through the esophagus, which is a whopping 25 centimeters long. This is where peristalsis occurs.
Peristalsis is like a wave-like motion, much like the waves in the tidal.
You can see the wave-like muscles here, just like these in the tidal basin.
The esophagus passes the food into the stomach, where the food is churned with hydrochloric acid to further break down the food particles. It is the first place where proteins are broken down. The human stomach can hold up to 3 liters of food. The stomach churns much like paddle boats do. Unfortunately, no food had recently entered the stomach, so the paddles are at rest. Next, the food enters the small intestine and passes through 3 important parts. This organ is just like the metro system.
This is the small intestine of the city. This is the escalator of the metro, which can be compared to the duodenum of the small intestine. The main role of the duodenum is to absorb nutrients and distribute them around the body. This escalator absorbs people from the city and puts them into the metro cavity. This is the jejunum of the small intestine. The role of the jejunum is to absorb carbohydrates and proteins, and these machines over here absorb people's carbohydrates and proteins, aka mine. So after the jejunum, we have the ileum, which absorbs what was not absorbed by the jejunum. Follow me. This is going to take the pupil and everything that was not absorbed and spit them out somewhere else.
Nutrients are absorbed and transported much like the metro car is transporting people.
Once all of the essential nutrients, proteins, sugars, and vitamins have been absorbed, the remains move up towards the large intestine, just like the escalator. In the large intestine, the remaining usable nutrients are absorbed, and the rest is processed and prepared for excretion. The solar trash can is like the large intestine because the large intestine removes excess water and passes useless waste, just like this trash can is the first step in trash processing. The digestive system is a large and complex system, just like DC, and needs to be well taken care of. Digestive problems cost Americans $50 million a year.